guys, so today I'm gonna be doing pretty much how to go around for Canva. So what you want to do is either want to sign up if you don't have a Google account, but if you do have one, then you can just use either your Google or Facebook or do continue with email. So I'm gonna hit continue with Google because I have a Google account. So that's what you get with the main homepage. And then they already have a lot of layouts that you can try. So if you want to do a doc, a whiteboard, posters, presentations, they have a lot of stuff that's already pre-made. But if you want to go ahead and do your own thing, then you want to go ahead and click create a design. And same here, it starts with the doc, a whiteboard, poster, presentation, infographic. So let's say you want to do poster. So you can go ahead and hit poster. Okay, and then you can see that they already have a lot of layouts. Sorry. They have a lot of layouts and formats or templates that you can get started. So whether you want to do something bright, something that pops off, something like, different lettering as well. Different, like, let's say you want to do something like this. You can always change the lettering of size right here. Like, let's do 80. You can change the color itself. Like, you want it to be more bright compared to the paper. It's just everything you're gonna change is gonna be right here in the left corner. So design, elements that you can add on if you want to put more flowers in there. Make it smaller. You can just kind of play around with the designs, and that's pretty much how you create a visualization. And then when it comes to saving, you can just click share, and then you can either share a template link, present it, or you can just download it straight to your computer. So you just hit download, and it's going to ask you, do you want it in a PNG suggest, or you can have it in a JPEG, PDF, whatever you need it to be, or a special size, and you just hit download. And there you go, and it's gonna just be saved right here.